tricksters and Lego friends, we have to be quiet because we have to sneak some presents underneath the Christmas tree. Look at this gift box. Free gift with purchase over $99 from Lego Shop at Home back a few weeks ago. So anyway, let's get into it. The color usage of the elements in this set really make it outstanding. Now the top is really beautiful in color. You got the gold ribbon type of thing going around the top. You got the Christmas holly berries and holly bush or ivy, whatever you want to call it. And then the wrapping going around the box on all four sides. Now, you'll notice there's hinges on this side, and it is split on this side. So when you take the top off, it reveals a little Christmas scene within. So we can open it up, and to our amazement, it has like a little house scene with some little Christmas toys and whatnot there. And it has a Christmas tree, young fellow sitting on his sofa by the clock, and some Christmas presents. This is early Christmas morning, of course. And then over here we have the fireplace with a stocking hung by it, with a stocking hung on the mantle, and some mini blinds covering the windows, and a cup of hot cocoa left over for Santa, and a broom to sweep up the snow and ashes from his feet when he comes down the chimney. And he left a little toy train for this little girl to play with, and it's really cool. He left a couple gifts there, obviously for the other young fella to play with as well. So this is a really cool little diorama. Not only are the colors really nice in this, it just flows together very well as a Christmas scene. So let's go a little bit closer to it. My favorite colors next to sand green is sort of all the complementary colors of the sand green, but it's like an aqua. This is like the teal, I guess maybe you want to call it here for the matte, but the aqua, light teal, whatever, is really a really cool color. It's that 1950s 1960s color. It seems to be a retro color that keeps coming back now. Some call it coral, some call it teal, some call it a light green. I call it the 50s green because that seems to be what it was. You see a lot in the kitchen appliances lately coming of that color, and now you see it in the Lego. So that is really superior. I like that, especially for us older folks that can appreciate that color from back in that era. So when you fold this up, it just folds neatly back up into its little box, just like that. Everything just tucked away, just like that. It's really cool. You can just leave it like that if you want to, and have like a whole total room scene. And you put the train back in, and the girl back in talking to her brother. So that is a really neat little Christmas gift box that came from Lego as a gift. Actually, it came out this year, 2018. I think it's a really neat addition to any Christmas display or Christmas Lego section of your house or whatever. Where we're going to put it just by the Christmas tree this year, and then eventually move it down into our display on our Christmas section. So that's really neat. But I really like the gold bow on the top. There's just something about the design on that. It makes it really look Christmassy and finishes the whole thing off. The use of tiles. Now this is one set here that I don't mind seeing all the studs on the top. It's all finished off except this, which we could have had some tiles here, green tiles, and we could put some green tiles yet, sand green tiles in here to finish that off. But however, it looks fine just as it is, even with the gold bow. It gives a little bit of texture to the top of this instead of being totally flat. So that is why I am not complaining about this particular studs on top. I just happen to like this one. It's just the texturing of it. It makes it look like it's wrapping paper, I guess you could say. So instead of having like all the tiles like they have around here on the edges of it and being totally shiny. However, something else I forgot to mention, it's got like two little mini Christmas trees using the unicorn, and also the little Christmas train is made up of like a camera piece that has the 4 studs on the sides and the long tube on the other end here, and it's just with a cheese slope and a 1x3 plate, a clear plate 1x1, and a clear tile 1x1, a 1x3 cylinder, and a rounded 1x1 stud for the top. That is a cute little build just for that miniature train for the kids to play with there. But all in all, this is one heck of a little set that I really like, and I think it goes well with any Christmas decorations or displays. So let me know what you think down in the comments below of this set, and I will see you guys again shortly. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.